Dear friends, past life until the age of 5, we all know our past lives. Until the age of 5, every children, they are associated with their past lives. Because their unconscious mind was very open. If you want to teach someone, then until the age of 5, whatever education is given until the age of 5, then it never forget. That's why if you get pregnant, or when you get pregnant, teach your baby inside the womb. That is the first journey. They are not aware of the conscious mind. They are not consciously thinking like us. But what? They are like sleeping. Like when you sleep, our unconscious mind is very open. In this way, conscious mind is down and unconscious is very open. They have the power of listening and care. The impression is coming there. So, but slowly when we are attached with the outside world, when we are attached with the outside things, slowly we forget that unconscious understanding. Then we forget, even you forget what did you eat in the last 4 days before. You have forgotten what was in your breakfast. Because this kind of understanding we do not remember. Understand? So, but you remember who made a big problem for you in the last year. Because you take seriously. Understand? So, yogis, what they do? Going to the very unconscious level of being, and they understand what they are in the past life. When I was 3 months of silence, in 3 months of silence, my guru gave me a practice. He was giving training to me. How can I initiate people? My guru gave me allow me to give diksha, mantra, and that power to the students. So whenever I sit and teach and meditate or give instruction or initiation, I follow this order of my master. That's why each and every speech is not a lecture. It is not a lecture I give, it is the energy I supply to the students. And that touch is to touch the heart. When I am connected, then happens. When I am not connected, it doesn't happen. Okay? So, one day I was sitting and doing the fire ceremony for 6 hours, 7 hour fire ceremony, and one day I go and finished everything, and suddenly I went to my past lives. So I was a Swami in the bank of Sarju river in Ayodhya, where Lord Rama was born. At that time I was doing the fire ceremony and something happened. I will not tell the whole story. Then why I born again and enter to this path. In this way, you may say this may be a thinking or believing. You may say this is fine. But I believe on this. But it is not important to believe on this too. We in this life we have so much problems. Even if I ask you to remember your problems, you will start crying. But if I tell you to go to the last lives, you cannot handle yourself. You will kill yourself. One pain from the one life do not allow us to survive so happily. But when you remember the past life's experiences, how can you survive? You get more tension. That's why, thank God, don't give us this past lives remembering. That will save our life. We are alive because our unconscious mind is now closed. But a yogi, open up, because he has no fear. If we have fear, then you will be fearful on the past lives. You will behave same way as you are behaving for this life. That's why the nature has stopped ourselves to enjoy the past lives. But the whole life now is all dependent on the past lives. The way you are having your body, man or women, any countries, your parents, your families, your wealth, your harmony, each and every part of your life is dedicated and is dependent on your past lives. Today what you see me is just because of my previous effort. I studied the books, studied with the people, many gurus. I went to the many places. I had so many problems in my life. I learned from my experience. All things there when I am sitting here and talking with you. Whenever I am talking with you, just not because it's coming from my mouth, it's coming from my past experience. What I am teaching you is my past experience. In this way, whatever you are is your past life.